Welcome back to Auto. Inside today we are diving into one of the most nostalgic yet modern vehicles to hit the roads, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup. This truck is more than just a vehicle, it is a piece of history reborn with all the modern touches that make it a true standout in the automotive world. Chevrolet has taken inspiration from its classic 1950s design and blended it with cutting-edge technology to create something truly remarkable. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup pays tribute to the original lines and curves that made the classic 3100 such an icon. The front end features a bold chrome grille with retro-inspired horizontal slats flanked by rounded LED headlights that maintain that vintage charm while offering the latest in illumination technology. The body is sculpted with smooth flowing lines, wide fenders and a cab design that immediately takes you back in time, but with a refined modern edge. It comes in a variety of heritage-inspired colors such as forest green, deep navy, classic red, and even a two-tone cream and black that makes it look straight out of the golden era of pickups. Chevrolet has also enhanced the exterior with 20-inch polished alloy wheels, a wood-trimmed cargo bed and subtle chrome accents that give it an authentic yet sophisticated feel. Moving to the interior, the cabin of the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup is where nostalgia meets luxury. The dashboard is designed to echo the retro styling of the past with circular dials, a chrome-trimmed steering wheel and wood inserts, but every element is infused with modern technology. You get a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display vintage-styled gauges or modern layouts. Depending on your mood, the center console features a large 12-inch touchscreen with Chevrolet's latest infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and voice command functions. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, with diamond stitching, and heating and ventilation functions are available for maximum comfort. The cabin is surprisingly spacious, offering room for 5 passengers with ample legroom and headroom, and the sound system is a premium Bose setup designed to deliver a studio-like audio experience even while driving down the highway. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup combines performance with efficiency. It is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing 400 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and an optional all-wheel drive system. This truck can handle both city streets and off-road trails with ease for those who prefer greener technology. Chevrolet is also offering an all-electric version equipped with a 120 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering up to 350 miles of range on a single charge and instant torque that propels it from 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds. This dual offering makes the 3100 not only versatile but also appealing to a wide range of drivers. Performance-wise, the handling is tuned to strike a balance between comfort and control with adaptive suspension that adjusts to your driving style, whether you are cruising through urban roads or towing on the highway. Speaking of towing, the gasoline version can tow up to 9,500 pounds, while the electric variant can tow around 8,000 pounds, making it as capable as it is stylish. Safety features are state-of-the-art with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a full 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. When it comes to price, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup starts at around $45,000 for the base gasoline version, with higher trims reaching up to $65,000. The all-electric version starts at $55,000 and goes up depending on battery size and trim levels. This positions it competitively in the market, especially when you consider the unique blend of retro design and modern performance. What truly makes the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup stand out is its ability to connect emotionally with enthusiasts. It is not just a truck, it is a statement piece that honors the heritage of Chevrolet while embracing the future. Whether you are a collector, a truck lover, or someone looking for a unique daily driver, this pickup is sure to capture your heart. It brings together history, style, performance, and practicality in one beautiful package. So if you are someone who has always admired the golden age of American pickups but also demand the modern comforts and technologies of today, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup is one vehicle you simply cannot ignore. This is Auto Inside, bringing you the most detailed look at the vehicles that matter. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive reviews.